You guys are absolutely awesome. I'd just like to start this video by just saying thank you to all of you for all the help, support, everything like that I get off you guys is absolutely second to none. Couldn't ask for a better group of people. Just like to say, I do apologise for the audio on the last video. Absolute nightmare with it. The wind, believe it or not, was horrendous, and the flapping of the polytunnel was that loud. When I was trying to do the editing and cut out the wind, it was cutting out other bits. I'd left my microphone on the side here whilst I was filming, and when I was turning around, it was cutting out my voice. So microphone's back on me today, so hopefully it is a lot better. If anyone has got any suggestions of a good microphone, please do let me know in the comments, because I've been through loads of different ones. I've tried the cheap ones and I've tried the really expensive ones, and I'm just having no luck with them whatsoever. They just keep failing on me and letting me down. So if anyone has got any suggestions for those, let me know in the comments, please. Really appreciate that. That's all we need. Right then, guys, so today's video is following up from the giant potatoes, but we're going completely different with tiny potatoes. Now, this is another challenge / grow along that has been set by Terry King. Now, if you don't watch Terry King's channel, I highly suggest you stop watching this video right now and go and check it out and come back to this video afterwards. But his channel is absolutely brilliant. Does everything on a budget, and we're very like-minded people. And he set out a challenge where instead of trying to get the most from a single seed or the heaviest potato or just growing giant potatoes, when you're growing potatoes in general, you always end up with lots of these teeny tiny seed potatoes. And these are usually what you miss, gets left in the soil and regrow for next year, and that's how you get your volunteer potatoes popping up everywhere. But he has set out to try and see how much we can get from one of these very small single seeds. So the grow along is hashtagged very small single seed potato. I think I'll have to double check, but I will pop it up on the screen. And I have kept a few of the smaller ones that I come across this year. We've got a couple of different varieties here. So these are the Performer, which was from the single seed potato challenge a couple of years ago. We've got the Condor, and we've also got a Manitou, and I think that one might be a Picasso. But so what we're going to do, we're going to plant all these up. These ones are a little bit bigger, but that's the size that we're aiming for. Hope really about pea size. That's a pretty big pea, mind. But we're going to get them planted. We'll keep track of them throughout the year and see what they produce, see if it's worth doing. Could be worth just keeping a load of those for your seed potatoes rather than having boxes of them or bags full of them, taking up loads of space for half the year. So we'll plant these up and see how they get on. So I'm going to put these straight into the 7cm pots. There's no point putting them any larger pots. If they need potting on by the time it comes to planting them out before then I'll do that. But I'll start them off in these little 7cm pots. I'll keep them in the polytunnel under cover, just so they are protected, because even though we are having a really nice spell of weather today, don't be fooled. I am seeing a lot of people posting on social media, planted this out, planted that out, and you're risking it, because it is still early I wouldn't go planting things out just yet. So, multi-purpose compost, and I'm just going to put the seed potato in and a little handful on top. Now, I am going to keep that one aside because if you know me, I do like to do a few experiments, and you can't do an experiment with potatoes and not cut one up. I'm not going to label what these individual varieties are. It'll be quite easy to tell when we're harvesting them. Yeah, this one was the Picasso, because you can see it's got a little bit of pink in it. But the one that I cut up, I will label. Obviously, we will label them all as very small seed potato, but this one I'll put a mark on it to say that I've cut it. Cut. And hopefully we should be able to keep these separate, because we know it makes a difference with the single seed potato challenge. So cutting the whole potato up into smaller pieces works, helps us get more of a yield from the single seed. But will it work with something like this? Do not know. So all I'm going to do is just cut straight in between those two chits there, like so. And we've got two pieces, just pop them in. Make sure that they're buried below the surface of the soil. And that is those. Right, I will leave those up here until I see them starting to grow, and then once I see growth, if they need a bit of water, I'll give them a bit of water, but they'll be fine until they start sprouting out the soil at least. If you haven't already, I will pop a link to Terry King's channel in the description of this video. Please do head on over and check out his channel. It is well worth a watch. When I first found it, I went right back to the start and I watched through all of his videos. It took a very long time, but they were all worth watching, every single one of them. And Terry, he replies to every comment, he comments back, he's always quick to help, and if he knows something that you're doing wrong or anything like that, he will advise you on it. He is an absolute brilliant bloke to know. So do head on over and check out his channel. There are quite a few other people doing the very small seed potato grow along, so check on their channels out as well. If you check out the hashtag, it will be in the description of the video. All those videos will be put into a playlist for you to watch quite easily. Right then guys, that is going to be it for me today. Just like to say a massive thank you to everyone for watching, and if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. Bye for now.